Hello and welcome back to Crypto Disco for another video, and in today's video we're going to be diving into Cardano, ticker ADA, and really see where the chart is heading. It's looking like it can really go in either directions. Either way, as traders we can make our profits and gains from this movement. And if you find that interesting, then please guys just give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notification to be notified of more videos like this, so I can easily teach you the simplest method to how to trade and to be profitable. Let's roll the intro. Okay guys, so let's start off with the big daddy. That's BTC, Bitcoin, as you all guessed it. Okay, so it's looking like we've actually made quite a little insignificant moves. Obviously we are just trading sideways now, so it's not really worth diving into making any trade within BTC at this precise moment until we break either of these zones over here. The first green zone up there is a bullish case scenario. If we do break that, then we should be looking to head our way back up towards 20+K per Bitcoin. If we fall below this line over here, then we could be looking even further down, like towards 13K. Either way, that's some big gains to be had there. So remember, whatever happens to Bitcoins, it drags altcoin in either direction. So when it goes up, it picks up the market, goes completely up. If it goes down, it drags the whole market down in terms of the Litecoins. Right. Okay, so we're looking sideways in a minute with BTC, so it's not too, well, no news is good news in fact, but it's not really doing much in a minute. It's kind of being boring in a minute, which is fine. We can still make our gains through the altcoins. Now let's jump into the Cardano ticker ADA chart. Now it is still following the exact same or similar pattern to BTC. However, we can make this trade on a movement to the downside and also to the upside. Now remember, these two lines over here, excuse me, there are really crucial because I can really see us breaking our way. I don't know what's wrong with today, guys. It's like I've got this bad indigestion. But anyway, let me just chill like the rest of you. Okay, so once we do break this area, then we are looking at a massive movement back up towards the upside. Well, it's not really that massive movement, but it is a solid trade to be had, because if we look to our left, there is literally no space or air, or just air over here. And if you look at that, that's a massive gap there. Gap meaning that there is no pullbacks, there's no signs or anything, it's much straight down. So it's looking likely once we do break out of this zone over here, we should be going back up to approximately around about 28 cents, and that should give us approximately 5% or more. To be more precise, let's bring out the measuring tool. So yeah, we could be looking at between 5 to 6% movements to the upside. And that is pretty okay move, considering if you were to leverage trade this. If you leverage trade by 2x, you could be looking at a 10% movement there. So only leverage trade if you are a confident trader and you have leverage traded before. Okay, so that's the bullish case scenario. Once we do slightly break up here, that's when I'll be looking to enter to go back up to the upside, or I might go to all ham here to get that 5% movements there. Now let's flip on a bearish side. Now if we do break down below over here, as you can see here, there's nothing but air, of course, but unfortunately with Bybit, they don't keep all the data for Cardano past a certain point where this coin being added onto the Bybit exchange. But I have done my quick little research. I've gone onto the Binance charts, and I have noticed that the next important level of area is going to be around about 14 cents, which would be approximately over here. Now if we were to consider this zone here to be the next important area for ADA, once we do break down, now that's a crazy profit to be had. And And what I mean by that is, if I bring out the measuring tool, anything from the moment we break down here to go all the way down here, we could be looking at, wow, look at that, 40+%. If you were even to 2x that, you could be getting literally 98, 96% gain in profit. That's only if we do break down and below this area over here. So that's the meat of the show for today. We're just looking to try to break out of this zone over here or there. Otherwise, there's no point really trading here, unless if you're looking to try to catch 1 or 2% move to the downside and to the upside within this channel, which is not recommended. And you're not really getting much from the trade neither. So if we were to break up here, personally speaking, I wouldn't just hold until we break here. I'll wait and see if we make a clear break past this level here, then I'll be holding the trade and ride the trade to go all the way up, back up towards this region here, because once we do break this area over here, we'll be pushing away back up towards 35-36 cents, and that will still be quite a decent amount of profit to be had. You could be looking again between 28 to 30% only if we break these key levels, which are basically our first one over here, our second one over here, and then once we do break these two here, then we should really be holding our trade until we hit like in a much higher regions. So that'll be it for today, guys. So I hope you do like the information in this video. Once again, guys, just give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notification to be notified of more videos. Until then, take care.